So recently, gold just broke out of the 3,700 all-time high levels. So we're seeing that the demand for gold is actually increasing, and who knows, you might reach the 3,800 level in just a couple of days. So if you're gonna observe this kinds of move in gold, this is actually the reason why gold is one of the most traded markets in the world. The challenge is most traders are actually jumping into gold without really knowing why it moves so much like this. And that's why they get caught up on the wrong side of the market. Here's what makes gold unique. First is gold is actually considered as a safe haven currency. So whenever there is fear in the markets, usually what people do, especially with those who have deeper pockets, they actually rotate their money into gold. Secondly, it reacts directly to the US dollar. So whenever you see that the dollar drops, this is actually a telltale signs that gold might actually go to the upside, since most of the time gold is paired with the US dollar. So, but I'm not saying it's all the time, but most of the time, whenever the dollar drops, especially when there is a high impact news, gold usually thrives during this environment. Gold is, for those who don't know, is actually high in liquidity. So instead of treating gold like any other pair, I suggest treat it with some sort of respect. How do we do that? First, maybe you could consider observing gold during high volatility sessions, high liquidity sessions like the London session and the New York session. And always know the bigger picture before you enter the market. If you want to learn more how to trade gold, I actually created a library of contents for you. So just go to our ACY Securities website, click any content that I have, and scroll down at the bottom. You're gonna see how to start trading gold.